Hello everyone, ni hao. I come back and I come with lots of winning products. If you are not subscribed, subscribe now. Please help me with some like and some comment on the video. It will make my channel to grow up more and more. I come for you with very interesting product, the art marker kit. Yes, this is very simple product. You just use these colors, you put it inside this elegant machine and you start to do the coloring. Look, very nice. You change the color, you change the template, you change anything in this. Let's try another one. For example, the star. I'm trying small things so I could show you very fast. This is the star. It is very nice. The finishing of the product is elegant and the product is light. No any Chinese language on the box. And this interested about this product that you can do the upsell. Why? Because this you can sell many templates, the letters, the numbers. There is lots of many designs. You can sell it, and also you can sell the colors as an upsell. So this product is very interested, and we think this year it will be the replacement of the 3D. Also you can use it for the fabric. We tried on the fabric for the shoes, so you can do lots of arts. I think it's the best gift for the kids, for the New Year, Christmas, whatsoever, any occasion. I think this product is very new, so I think by Christmas this product will be one of the top selling products in China. Come back again, follow my channel. There will be more videos about the winning product. There will be more things to share. We will be visiting the factories, show you the new products direct from the factories, from the market. So there is lots of activities back to this channel. We come back very strong. So I hope you enjoy it and I wish everyone a happy sales. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.